Ideal for entertaining, this baked brie recipe is a must-try. It's a deliciously indulgent party starter. Start by unwrapping each brie from its packaging and place in a KitchenAid mini cocotte dish. Take a small sharp knife and cut a diamond pattern on the top of each brie. Next, drizzle the brie evenly with honey and sprinkle with rosemary and thyme. Season with salt and pepper. Place the dishes on a baking tray and cover with the lids. Pop in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Uncover and bake for a further 5 minutes or until the brie melts. Place the mini cocottes with baked brie on a serving platter. Serve with some toasted baguette slices, then quickly top with a drizzle of honey and extra rosemary. Dig into this easy baked brie with family and friends at your next get-together.